Hello everyone, welcome to this video where we are going to complete the following table. Okay, so the working for part A would be the following to find the decrease. I just need 36 minus 30 and that will give me 6. And therefore I will be able to get 6 kg in this case here. 6 kg. And the percentage decrease would be that, let me just write it down here. Equals to the decrease over the original, which is 36, multiplied by 100%. And in this case here, we would have 16.667%. This is to 5SF. Final answer to 3SF. Okay, 16.7%. So that will be the percentage decrease. So part A done. Let's move on to part B. So part B, though we have the decrease, but we do not have the new value. This means that the new value here, I'm just going to use blue color for all my working. The new value here for part B is simply the original, because I know it's going to decrease by 0.5. The decrease is 0.5. Therefore, I will be able to get my new value, which is 1.5 hours. And from here, I will then be able to calculate my percentage decrease, which is simply the decrease, which is 0.5, and I divide by my original value, which is 2, multiplied by 100%. This will give me a value of 25%. Part B is done. Alright, let's move on to my part C, where we are given the following. We are given, let me use green color for all my working for part C. We are given the original value and we are also given the percentage decrease. This is important because having given the 19% decrease means that I will be able to calculate my decrease easily. Okay, so my decrease is 19%, right? 19% of the original value. In this case here, 80 meter, 80. And therefore, this will give me a value of 15.2 meter. So the decrease is 15.2. 15.2 meter. And once I know the decrease, I will then be able to get my new value. Because originally it's 80, there's a decrease of 15.2. So therefore, the new value is actually 64.8 meter. Yeah, 64.8 meter. Now for the last question, which I'm going to use purple. Last part for part D. Let's see what are we given. Ooh, we are given the new value and the decrease. So I will be able to get the original value easily, you see. Why? Because original value, if I have a decrease of 3 cm cube, and yet and after that the new value is 12, means that I just need to add these two together, and that will be 15 cm cube, and therefore I will be able to calculate my percentage decrease now. Okay, it will be the decrease of 3 over original value times 100%. Okay, this one is cm cube by the way, and therefore I will be able to get 20%. Okay, so with that we are getting to the end of this video. Let me just look through my working and just write down the unit that is required respectively as part of the answers. And yes, 20%. With that, we have come to the end of this video. If you like this video, do give it a thumbs up. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.